Hello, welcome to today's class. Today, we are going to look at how to take readings on vernier calipers and micrometer screw gauge. I know you're going to enjoy today's class. Please watch this video to the end and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. For the first one, if you have this is for the main scale and this is for the vernier scale for a vernier calipers. You need to note this main scale and the vernier scale. Now the reading here is 6. So we have 6, it means 6, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, 6.5, 6.6, 6.7, 6.8, 6.9, and then 7. So note this reading before the beginning of the vernier scale. We have 6.1. So you write 6.10 cm. Then let's take the reading on the vernier scale. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. You note the points of intersection of the main scale and the vernier scale. That's here, which is 9. When you are recording, this one will be 0.09. That means the reading here, you're dividing it by 100 so that you know that the vernier scale records smaller readings that the main scale cannot capture. So at the point of their intersection, we have 9. We record it as 0.09 cm so that the final answer will be 6.19 cm. So the reading here is 6.19 cm. For the second one, note this point. That's the main scale and the vernier scale. You see, this is 2. This is from Jumper's question. They tricked it a little to confuse. If this is 2, then this is 1.9. Then this is 1.8. So here is 1.8. You write 1.8 cm. That's the reading on the main scale. Then look at where the vernier scale started. You look for the point of intersection of the main scale and the vernier scale. You see, all these ones are in between. This is the only one that passed through. That's how I can say 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So record that one as 0.08 cm so that the final reading will be 1.88 cm. The next one is this. If you look at it, we have 5, 5.1, 5.2, and then the vernier scale reading starts. So what do? We now look for the point of intersection, which is this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have gotten 5.2, 1, 2 from this one, and then add the 6 to get 5.26 cm. That will be the answer for this. For the micrometer screw gauge, you have these ones are intervals of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. So we'll get 0,